what we have here is to evaluate without using calculator. So we are to add the standard form without using calculator. Now, one thing you need to know, if the powers of the standard form are the same, it is very simple. You just need to add the decimal places and put the power there. So what we need to do now, we will be having 2.8 times 10 raised to the power 4 plus 1.6 times 10 raised to the power 4. Since the powers are the same, you just put your power down, then times 8 plus 6 will be 14. So I have 4, remainder 1 with my point. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 1 is 4. So I have 4.4 times 10 raised to the power 4. That is how to deal with addition of standard form when the powers are the same. I also have 7.3 times 10 raised to the power 3 and 5.7 times 10 raised to the power 3. So if I'm to sum up this, I should be having 7.3 times 10 raised to the power 3 plus 5.7 times 10 raised to the power 3. The powers are the same, so I need to repeat the power. Times 3 plus 7 is 10, so 0 remainder 1. Then my point. 1 plus 7 is 8 plus 5, which gives us 13. Let's not forget that we were told that in standard form there should be only 1 digit in front of the decimal, but I can see there are 2 digits over here, which is 1 and 3. So I need to change this 13 into standard form. Then after changing it into standard form, the power will have to change. Let's not forget that the 13, if I should move the decimal once over here, I will be having 1.3. And moving the decimal this way means I am coming from the positive side. So the power will be plus 1, which will finally result in 1.3 because I've moved the decimal once. So 1.3 times 10. The power was already 3 plus that 1, giving me 4. So 1.3 times 10 raised to the power 4. That's my final answer. So you can encounter a problem like this. When you have a double number, change that double number to decimal again. With this kind of problem, the powers are not the same. So you can't go ahead and add them straight away like what we're doing over here. So with this problem, what you need to do is to write all the standard form in an ordinary form. So 3.8 times 10 raised to the power 2 will become, if I should change it to the ordinary form, I would be having 308. Then I'll now have to change my 1.9 times 10 raised to the power 3 to the ordinary form, which that one will give me 1900. So this is my 3.8, this is my 1.9. What I need to do next is to add the 2. After adding the 2, I'll now change it back to standard form. So I have 1900 plus 380 0 8 12 2 remainder 1, so 2. Therefore, when I sum up the 2, this is what I had. I'll now have to change this to standard form. Looking at what we have, the decimal is behind, so I need to skip the decimal point 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Therefore, I would be having 2.28 times 10 raised to the power 1, 2, 3. I came from the positive side, that is from the right, so the power remains positive. So when you have addition of standard form where the powers are different, change them to ordinary forms first, add them, then change it back to standard form.